Hello, my name is Rakas Danavicius, and today I will show you what I have done for my dissertation project. Have you ever wondered how would you feel if you could hear color in chords? Of course, you could ask, how is that possible? Seeing colors and hearing chords are two different senses, and you would be right. However, there are people in the world who do have the capability of hearing color. These people are called synesthetes, as they possess a neurological phenomenon called synesthesia. This phenomena creates so-called cross-modal associations, which allow one to feel a unified emotional experience of both senses. Another direct example of such unified experience from both senses is seen in Harbison's work. Harbison was born with complete color blindness. However, to oppose it, he developed a so-called electronic eye. This electronic eye has a color sensor which directly maps color frequencies to notes and plays them to Harbison through a process called bone conduction. This process allows Harbison to hear color and create unified experiences of both senses. To develop such unified experiences for regular individuals, I decided to create an instrument which, upon seeing a color, would play a musical chord according to associated emotional responses of two chord and color variables. To create the instrument, I used Arduino microcontroller and Adafruit color sensor hardware, which sent red, green, and blue color data to my computer. Then, Pure Data software residing in my computer assigns red, green, and blue color values to specific chords according to emotional responses of color and chords discovered through the studies of Wright, Schubart, Chase, and Simon. To give you an example, according to Wright, color black usually is associated with fear as it shows the absence of light. Hence, a key of D is paired with the color, as according to Schubart, this key inflicts fear and anxiety to the listener. Furthermore, we give the key a chord form of diminished, as Chase tells us that this type of chord also provides feelings of shock and fear. Finally, we choose an appropriate tone quality which would amplify these emotions. Such tone qualities, according to Chase, are low distorted sounds and high frequency sounds such as violins. Hence, these sounds are chosen to be used for the combination. To test the accuracy of these developed combinations by the instrument, an experiment was conducted, which was composed with 3 stages. The first stage tested the research results of Wright, Simon, and Nunes.
Okay, then black, fear.
Alright. And how strong do you feel the emotion?
Right now.
Yeah.
4.
Fear would be black.
Okay.
I'd probably give that a 6.
I don't really find the right emotion. I would say happiness as well.
Okay.
And it's again like graded with all the happiness 8.
Fear black. Just go 4.
Black fear, maybe a 6.
I think black for fear, 9.
Let's go to color blue.
Sadness. 5, because I'm missing an England game.
Calmness, blue, 5.
5.
Calmness again,
Calmness again, okay.
5.
Calmness, blue. Probably 5.
Calmness, 6.
I think calmness, probably 6.
Red, I believe, is excitement. I guess 7.
Okay, excitement, red.
Alright.
I'd give that an 8.
Warmth.
Warmth.
And I would say about 6 again.
Red excitement. And go 7 for that.
Excitement, I'd say 7.
Yeah, excitement. Yes. Oh, strong. Something exciting, 8.
This stage showed that the emotional responses to color found by the researchers were correct, as the color implicated the feelings described by the researchers. The second stage tested the research of Schubart and Chase, which showed that it is a lot harder to associate a singular emotion to sound. Every chord tested displayed at least 2 strong emotions during the test.
It feels black, like scary.
Okay, so would you say it's fear?
Yes, fear.
Alright, and how strong do you feel it?
From that, probably 7 because it's tension.
From this list, the calmness.
Calmness. Oops, where's that?
Probably the number from I'd give that probably 4.
Excitement. 9.
Sadness.
Sadness.
4.
I would say excitement. Maybe a 4.
Perhaps sadness. 6.
Excitement. Probably that with a 6.
That's now, I think, excitement now.
Okay.
So I'd put that in excitement, probably 5 there.
Warmth. 10.
Happiness again? 5.
Calmness, maybe.
Okay.
And I'd say a 5.
Happiness. 8.
Feels like calmness.
I think that sounds like happiness. Probably that'll be a 6.
Happiness. 6.
So this is just getting higher and higher. I'd go happiness again, but maybe 7 or 8.
Probably say happiness again. But this time maybe a 5.
Going up. Excitement. 7.
Finally, the last stage tested both visual color and audible chord impact on one's emotions. So what kind of emotion do you feel?
It sounds like walking through a dark room
Alright.
and I open a door.
Okay, so which one of the 6 emotions you will provide with?
Definitely black. Well, fear.
Fear.
This is terrifying. I'm going to stop it now. Please.
Okay, you can lift it up. And how strong do you feel the emotion?
9.
9. Okay, go ahead. Alright.
Okay. That was fear, definitely fear.
Okay. Can I lift up the color?
Yeah, so I'd say fear, and that was probably probably an 8 for that. Yeah, that a lot of jeopardy in that one.
I think excitement was felt a bit more.
Okay, so let's say it's excitement.
I would say it was somewhere around 8.
8.
Fear. Without a shadow of a doubt. Yeah, that's creepy. A 9.
9, okay.
Fear.
How strong?
8. 8.
Fear.
Fear.
Yes.
How strong?
Spooky. 9.
Okay, let's go to color blue. Sit up a bit. Okay. What kind of emotion do you feel towards it? strong do you feel the emotion?
Oh, about a 9.
I think that's happiness.
Happiness, okay.
I'd probably put that as 6.
Calmness, 9.
Excitement. 7. No, go for 8. 8 for that.
Calmness for sure. 9, I'd say, yeah.
Probably the excitement again. It wasn't fearful or warm. Probably a 6.
Red, 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 red. I can finally be my DJ form.
Okay, how strong do you feel the emotion?
Oh, this is excitement and it is a 10.
I think that's excitement.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd put that as a probably 9.
I'm enjoying this way too much. I would say it's going to be excitement, 7.
Excitement. Probably 9, 10.
Excitement. Yeah, for sure. I love that. 9.
Excitement. 8.
This test showed that the research combined from the previous test was robustly successful, as the chord and color combination strongly displayed the emotion, which was used as the association link between the two variables. This means that while such single variables as music keys and chords inflict single emotion with some difficulty, by combining these variables with the emotional impact of tone and color view, it is possible to create a unified emotional response for all of the variables. This dissertation project showed that while not fully, it is still robustly possible to emotionally associate chords to colors by utilizing such side variables as tone qualities or chord types. By creating these psychological associations, individuals such as movie directors or music score developers can construct pieces of their craft that could emotionally correlate with the visual and audible planes of media. An example of such construct could be demonstrated by emotionally catering music to a Western culture film involving race cars. Let's imagine that the main character of the movie is driving a red race car and is about to win a race. To add more excitement to the film scene, a music score could be developed that would strongly utilize the chord of B major and such tone qualities as distortion and quick pitch variations. The previously conducted experiment results displayed that these music variables strongly associate the emotion of excitement to the color red. Hence, as the film scene would have red color visuals, such as the red race car, the music score with these attributes would strongly amplify the emotional response of excitement to the viewers of the film. Finally, this exploration proves that color and music chords can be emotionally combined to create a unified emotional impact for any individual. It showed that by exploring one's culture, it is possible to adapt the right sound attributes which would emotionally match a specific color, resulting in an improved emotional experience that would utilize music and color as its main impact factor. Thanks for watching.